Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell about how to fix Valorant a D3D11 compatible GPU error 2025 easy fix. So recently I have seen many of the people facing this problem, like when they open Valorant it says a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine, and there are other persons who also says help with D3D11 GPU error, and and the John Smith says he keeps getting this error when trying to run Valorant. And so today I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So first of all, to check if your graphics card is capable of running Fortnite, or the Valorant, it is the same. So you have to just press both Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open the run command. So from the run command, type in DXDIAG, this word, and press enter. From the DirectX diagnostics tool window, switch your tab to display, and depending on the number of graphics cards your system uses, integrated graphics card is included. You will see more than one display name. You will have to select the tab that mentions your primary graphics card. So after that, you have to locate the feature levels in the driver sections, as you can see, like here. If you do not see the 11 hash 0 in the feature levels, it means your graphics card cannot support or run the game. To see the system specifications, especially the graphics card requirement needed to run Valorant, please refer to the page. And if you see 11O is the feature levels, it means your graphics card should be able to run the game. If you encounter this error despite your graphics card being capable to run the game, please try launching the game on DirectX 11 mode by following the steps below. Like they say, ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date, and after that open the Epic Games launcher. In the top right corner, click on the player profile icon like circle with the first character of your display name. After that, select settings, scroll down, expand Valorant, check the box for additional command line arguments, and you have to type D3D11 launch Valorant. If this step did not help, please reach out to your hardware manufacturer. Contacting your hardware manufacturer is the last option you can do if this all solutions did not work with you. So that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video.